Okay, I'm going to show you how to do the conversion from arithmetic numbers, such as the ones that we've got here, which might be microbiological counts, to a log10 number, and to do the conversion back again. Now, in a spreadsheet program such as Excel or other spreadsheet programs, this is generally very easy. So we've got our micro counts in the column A here, and then in column B we let Excel know that we want to do a calculation by typing equals, and then in case of the log transformation we start typing the name of the function, which is in fact the log10, and if we press tab on the function name, it now completes the name of the function, opens the bracket, which means Excel is ready for some input, and I click on the cell A1, which Excel now completes. I close the bracket and press the enter key, and Excel now performs the calculation for us. We also want to do the same thing for these other counts, and we can drag down on the little handle here, and now we've got our log10 transformed values for these four values. Now, if for some reason you started with the log10 values because you got them from someone else, you can convert back to the original counts by typing equals 10 to the power, which is the caret symbol, and it's found above the 6 key in most keyboards. And then again we click on the log value this time around, so this is what the formula should be displaying, and if we press enter, then Excel again calculates the original value. We can do that for the other counts as well. So down here we've got now the value 10 to the power of B4, which is 3.096. And that's how you convert between log10 and arithmetic values.